Every time when we need to create something new, going to the market is certainly one way. So we visit. So while visiting the market, you will see what is the seasonal vegetable and fruits, and that is inspiring.
What's this?
Oh,
like a pate?
These, yeah, those are different kind of pate. So you see there are different ones like these or ZAOKA. One of my favorite is this one.
That guy?
Yeah, this one. That's
with the salami or
no, this one.
This guy.
Yeah, in a huge bowl.
It's also like a
biggest
pate,
bowl
right?
here. You see, that's the biggest
What's
one.
in it?
Yeah, this one is a typical pate. So it's the countryside one. So it's the most traditional one, but the taste is really good. The most authentic.
Pork? Mostly pork? Can we try?
No?
Can we try?
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Oh.
So good, right?
Canard avec des champignons dedans.
Ah, d'accord. This one is the mushroom inside.
This one?
Yeah.
Salapin.
And that's a rabbit.
I like rabbit,
You
but
like
I prefer duck. Thank you.
You like eating rabbit?
I like-
or having a
I think
rabbit?
they're
That's
cute,
different.
but they're also delicious.
Yeah, it is true. But it is very difficult to learn how to cook it.
Holy
C'est
shit.
le canard avec...
Foie gras et mouris.
Ah, il y a le
Champagne,
foie gras
right?
aussi.
It's like got sweetness of the white wine. Oh. 好甜哦，真的好好吃。
甜吗？On voudrait prendre quelques fromages
Oui,
avec
avec grand
vous.
plaisir, oui.
Oh, merci beaucoup.
Les croissants aussi, hein.
Moi, je suis à métro Cardinal Lemoine.
Ah, d'accord, bah.
Pénombre de la
Alors, vous connaissez là le. Comment vous.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Ah, ok.
pénombre de la rue des Folies.
Ah, bah, je passerai, hein. Et vous les rangez comment, les pains au chocolat, dans votre boulangerie? Par des croissants, non?
This one's fantastic.
It smells good.
It smells mild, but it has such a strong and
Ça,
vibrant
c'est
note.
le...
Sorry.
Bonjour. J'ai mon ami qui est taïwanais aussi, qui visitait à Paris.
Enchanté.
Parfait. Bah. See, now you speak French.
A little bit. A little bit.
They have beautiful products here.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna pick some seasonal stuff, and we'll see what we're going to.
So what are you thinking? Yeah, what are you thinking for your special?
For summertime, I'm more to the stuff like fresh. For example, some peach, cherries.
I have a soft spot for tomatoes. Like these,
Okay.
I look at this and I just think of 番茄炒蛋. Bonjour. Peach.
Oh, look at this.
It's cute. Can't really smell it. Well, let's get to work, guys.
So I was thinking, based on all type of stuff we have found in the market, that we can do another new flavor with our famous bao.
I'm curious to see like what the process of thinking, because putting cheese in Gua Bao is kind of a no-brainer. Like you're in France, you want to do a fusion dish, you put cheese in Gua Bao, but the things that she adds to that Gua Bao is what really, I think is what intrigues me, and it really shows her general ethos on creation of food.
Right now, this is the season for beautiful fig and peach. So I thought, okay, now this is the end of July, the peak summer, so what kind of stuff will be really appealing for summer when it's hot, steamy? Then I was thinking, in French cuisine, if you want to go through the full course, there will be the starter, main course, and later on there will be a cheese plate before the dessert. So what I actually want to do here is like a bridge between the main course and the dessert. Cheese is something that would make it connect between those two. It's somewhere between the salty stuff and the sweet stuff.
Her philosophy is very much a fusion and very much of a hybrid, right? She wants to stick to a very basic set of Taiwanese rules. And by basic, I mean just like Gua Bao, like a bun. That is as Taiwanese as the dish goes. And everything else is kind of like the wild, wild west. The cordon bleu of her ideas. You can already see the different textures, right?
Yeah.
You have the crust of the bao, the creaminess of the cheese, softness of the figs, and the crispy crunchiness of the candied walnut. And all the thyme, and shall we dig in?
And it's not walnut, it's pecan.
Pecans. Pecans. I keep saying walnuts, man. Anyways, I probably wouldn't steal this for my own restaurant, but that's because my restaurant is much less fusion than yours. And so my customers would be like, what the I have to please them. At the end of the day, you know, I have to stay in business. I can't just piss off all my customers like that.
No, no.
But this is truly something special. This is really
you.
good. It's a, you've managed to take the best parts of a cheese plate and you made that even better by making it somewhat Taiwanese. The obvious stuff aside, like the decor, right? The Taiwan beer, the 大同电锅, she has laying around. That stuff aside, I think it's in the mentality. Something just screams Taiwanese. And it's hard to put your finger on it, right? It's the pulse of the restaurant. It's the pulse of the energy that she brings and her staff brings. It's the way she laid out the kitchen, right? The way the cutting boards are stacked, the way the pots and the plates were stacked, it looks like you're in, you know, your primary school's friend's house and you know, his mom is cooking you dinner. That just brings me there. Dude, so every single mom I know in Taiwan organizes their kitchen like this, at least their kitchen bowls and plates, in a pull-out cubby, just stacked on top of one another, with no real, like, kind of sense of strategic organization, but still very organized. It has its structure, but this pull-out cubby, man, brings me memories.
On the first year, 2016, when we opened the restaurant, back to that time, Taiwanese cuisine isn't that popular as right now in France. Every passengers passing by our restaurant, they stop by and they ask, so what's the difference between Taiwanese cuisine and Chinese cuisine or Japanese cuisine? For them, they cannot tell the difference at all. So I answer them one by one. For example, the basis of Taiwanese cuisine is already very fusion. We have the influence of all kinds of different regions of Chinese cuisine. And also we got the influence from Japanese cuisine a lot as well, and a lot of Western influence. Taiwanese cuisine is very creative, and also it absorbs a lot of different elements from other places.